Good evening, everyone. My name is Saurabh. We are continuing our topic lifting machine in subject engineering mechanics. We already understand what is first system of pulley, what is second system of pulley, and now we are going to understand what is third system of pulleys. So it is similar to the first system of pulleys. It is just inverted configuration of first system pulley. You can see just उल्टा है. फर्स्ट सिस्टम ऑफ पुली वैसे था, इसमें जस्ट उल्टा इन्वर्टेड सिस्टम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. If you go back in my previous lecture and see what is first system of pulley and compare it with it, you easily understand what it is inverted configuration. So in this you can see here in one load is attached W, it is fixed pulley, and now when we try to afford and another pulley and through another pulley, so this is the configuration. So in this you can see when there is no, we assume that there is no friction and it is massless pulley. So you can see in first pulley P here T1. So when we do free body diagram, P is equal to T1. Okay, and for this it is T2 because T2 is going to same string, so it will be T2. So T2 is equal to P plus T1. And what is the value of T1? P. So P plus P, so it will be 2P. So T2 will be 2P. Similarly, T3 will be 2T2, and so you can see T, T2 will be 2P. Similarly, T3 is equal to 2T2 or T2 is equal to 2P. This means 2T and value of T is 2P is equal to 4P. And we go on, we got T3 is equal to 8P. And what is W? W is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T3 plus T4. So this will be W, and we will, when we put the values of this, when we put value of this, we get W is equal to P bracket में 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. Okay, so this will be the answer, but it is for 4 pulleys. But if number of pulleys change, so we have to generalize it. So we can also write it, means mechanical advantage will be W upon P. And what is the value of W when we put in generalized form? We can put it 1 को क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 की पावर 0, 2 को 2 की पावर 1, 4 को 2 की पावर 2, सिमिलरली 8 को 2 की पावर 3. When we putting the values, we get this generalized form. When P, because when we putting W, here we putting means W upon P, it is the value of W and it will P, so P will cut, So value will be this. Okay, so it is in generalized form. You can say it is a geometrical progress. So the sum of the geometrical progress will be, it is the equation of geometric sum of the geometrical progress. S is equal to a ब्रैकेट में r की पावर n माइनस वन अपॉन में r की पावर r माइनस वन, and what is the value of r? R is here 2, so it will be 1 into 2 की power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, and it will be 2 की power n minus 1. So it will be summation of geometrical progress. So it will be value of w, and we putting in ma, we will get 2 की power n minus 1, and for ideal machine efficiency will be 100%, means value of n efficiency will be 1. So Vr is equal to ma, so it will be 2 की power n minus 1. Hope you understand. Thank you.